Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to quickly set up and use a VPN on a Mac. First, I will show you, first, this VPN will be used or installed and used on your Google Chrome. So first step, go to Google and search for Google Chrome extensions. Open the store like this, then search for VPN. This is how you should write it, and hit search. Now click on the first result, and this is the this is the extension called free VPN for Chrome, VPN proxy VPN. And this is how to know that you are installing the correct one. It should be provided by vpn.com. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and wait a moment. Now that the extension is installed, you can either open it from here, continue. Let's close this. Click on the extensions icon, then look for VPN. This is it. This window pops up. Click on continue, start, free, continue with the free plan. How to skip this? Use get the offer, but return to the extension again, and now click on no thanks, continue as free. And now let's say that the default location here is based on your current location, but let's say I want to use, for example, an Australian location. Let's look for optimal location, or go with the optimal location. How to turn it on? Click on this icon. As you see, they are connecting, and now connected. Now if I search what is my location, it says my bad. Let's use this tool. As you see, the detected country is the Netherlands, while my real location is Morocco. How to know this? Let's pin this extension. When I turn off this, when the connection is off, it will say Morocco. As you see, now it says Morocco. And this is how to install and use, and this is how to quickly install and use a VPN on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.